This is Letter Sounds Lab. So today we're going to learn 6 letters. The most important part is the sound of each letter. Just 6 letters. And we'll go nice and slow. I want you to say everything out loud with me, even if you're at home or on your phone. Say it. Don't be shy. Say it. You ready? Here we go. This is M. M. The name of the letter is M. M. But the sound it makes is mm. Mm. Do you see this? My lips are together. Mm. And I'm humming. Mm. Mm. The sound is mm. Mm. 2 different things. M is the letter, the name of the letter, and is the sound, like the start of moon. Do you hear it? Moon. Moon. Put your lips together and you hum it with me. Try it. Hmm, 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 hmm. Does your name begin with M? Maybe? Marco? My name begins with M. Murray. Murray. Good. So let's say it together 3 times. Now it's your turn to say it. So let's say it together 3 times. M, 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 mm, mm. One more time, just you. Very nice. Here's the next letter. This is S. S. The name is S, but the sound is S, like a snake. S, S. So you sort of smile and put your teeth together. S, S. The name is S. The sound is S, S, like in sun, sun. Make that snake sound. Sun, sun. Does your name begin with S? Say it. Very good. Okay, it's your turn. 3 times with me. Here we go. S, 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 S. Now say it with me. 3 times. S, S, S. Well done. Okay. Let's check your ears. Now listen to the sound and you tell me which letter is it? Is it M or is it S? I'm going to make the sound. You tell me the letter. Here we go. S, S. Is it M or S? Yep, that's right. It's S. Now listen again. Which letter is this? Which letter is that? M. Yep, you got it. So you can say a word that begins with S. For example, sun. Sun. How about sunset? Sunset. Okay, the next letter is T. The name of the letter is T, but the sound is short and quick. T, t, t. Do you hear that? It's like a tap. T, t, t. It's not t, t, t. No, that's something else. It's just the sound of this. So the tongue taps, they say taps, behind your teeth. T, t, t. right behind your top teeth. T, teeth. T, eth. T, eth. Teeth. Teeth. Try it with me. T, t, t. Does your name begin with T? Tommy? Teresa? Very good. So your turn. Try it 3 times. T, 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 T. Keep it short and clean. Just you now. Here we go. T, T, T. Very nice. Okay, so this one is very important. This is a vowel, and it's a vowel that's used a lot. So the name is A. The letter is A, but the sound we want now is A, like in apple. So you open your mouth wide and you say A, apple, 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 apple. This sound can be a little tricky, so you have to really open up and you have to say it slowly. Ah, ah, ah. One more time. Ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple. Does your name begin with A? Alexis? Okay, it's your turn. Nice and big. This time we're going to say it the letter 3 times and then the sound 3 times. Okay, so the letter A, and the sound A. You open your mouth really wide. A. Apple. Okay, let's check again. Here we go. Listen to the sound and you tell me which letter is it. Is it the letter T or is it the letter A? Here's the sound. A. Is it T or A? A. Yes, it's A. All right. Now let's try another one. Here we go. Here's the sound. What letter is it? T. Excellent. So if you can say a word that begins with A, can you say a word that begins with A? Apple. Oh, very good. All right, the next letter is P. The name of the letter is P. The sound is P. P. Just P. Not Pa, not pa, just P, P. Do you hear that? There's no voice to begin with. There's just P, P. It's just air over your lips, air. P. Here it is. P, P, P. Like in pen. And the way we say it is P, N. N, P, N, pen, pen. Try it with me. Feel the puff. P, P, P. Does your name begin with P? How about Pedro? Your turn. 3 times. P, P, P. A little puff of air each time, just a little puff. P, 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 p. A pop. P. Feel the air? Our last letter, N. The name of the letter is N. The sound is Your tongue goes up behind your teeth on the roof of your mouth, and the sound comes through your nose. It comes through your nose. So the sound comes through your nose. There's actually air comes through your nose, and the sound is If I hold my nose, I can't say it. Right? Seriously, you can't say it if you hold your nose. So because the air comes through your nose. So it's nose, nose, nose. It's a little like the M, but listen, the M is right, with your lips closed. The sound is but N is with your tongue up and your mouth open. Say it with me. Does your name begin with N? How about Nancy? Very good. Your turn. Say it with me 3 times. First, we'll say the letter 3 times and then the sound 3 times. Remember, so here we go 3 times. N, 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 and here's the sound. Now just you. Very good. Okay, our last check. Listen. Which letter is it? Listen. Here's the sound. Is it P or is it N? Yep, N. You got it. N. Now let's try another letter. Here, another sound. Here we go. P. P. Which letter is it? P. Yep, P. Good. Now, if you can say a word that begins with N, nice. She was really nice. Okay, our final check. Let's see what we learned today. 6 letters. Let's say them one more time. The name and the sound. So first, M, and the sound, The next is S, and the sound, S. The next is T, T, A, P, P, N, Very good. So you can watch this video as many times as you want. And here's the exciting part. Tomorrow, these 6 letters are going to build real words. Real words. Can you believe it? Real words. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.